गोंय विद्यापीठात शुक्रारा जाल्ल्या वेंचणुकेत बरोच बोवाळ जाल्लो। वेंचणुकेत काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर अन्याय जाला। विद्यापीठांत काँग्रेसीच्या उमेदवारांचे अर्ज स्विकारूंक ना म्हण युवकांक तेंको दिवपाक काँग्रेस पक्ष सोमारा 29 ऑगस्टाक मोर्चा काडटले, अशी माहिती काँग्रेस गोंय राज्य प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंह हांणी दिल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली।
The whole Congress party stands united to support the cause of the students who have been denied their right for a free and fair election. Even our candidate form was rejected on a flimsy ground that she had not submitted her account. When she showed her receipt, they said receipt is there but account is not there. I think this is a very amusing argument that we have given the acknowledgement but we have not received the account. The Congress party today has decided to hold a morcha on the 29th of August, Monday. The details of the morcha will be announced in the afternoon. The whole Congress party stands unitedly with our student leaders, with our youth leaders, and we shall not tolerate any kind of atrocity against our cadre. We have filed an FIR